Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude code for VS Code. So let's begin. So as you can see, this is my VS Code, and if you have the VS Code installed, make sure to go to the extensions section. After you have entered the extensions section, in the search bar, make sure to type down Cline. So after searching for Cline, we have lots of options over here, but make sure to install the option on top which has a blue tick from Cline. So I'm going to select this one and install it. So as you can see, our Cline extension has been installed, and now I'm going to click use your own API key. So after clicking use your own API key, you will find an option which is API provider. Now what we need to do is change our API provider. So I'm going to change my API provider to Anthropic. And now I need the Anthropic API key. Alright, so let's head to console.anthropic.com. Alright, so here we are, console.anthropic.com. So from console, let's head to the settings. We're going to expand this and now click on settings. From here, we have the API keys section. Now let's click on create key. Now we have default workspace. Now let's rename our key. So I'm going to rename this tutorial. After renaming, click on add. Now make sure to copy this key and save your API key in a safe space because you will not be able to view this again. So I'm going to close this window and save my API key. Alright, I have saved my API key and I'm back in VS Code. Now from here, I'm going to enter my API key in this box over here. Alright, so I have pasted my API key. Now I'm going to click on let's go. Now if you want to configure your API key, you can go to settings and you will be able to see some more options over here. Now if you don't want to go to advanced settings, you can just simply click done. And your Claude AI is integrated to your VS Code. You can type your task right over here in this section and use the Claude AI in your VS Code as you want. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.